Hi, I'm Randy Vance, and thanks for joining me today on my dock. We're with the folks at KICKER Marine Audio once again, and if you recall in the last episode, we discussed their new component speaker systems, mid-range with tweeters. Well, today we want to discuss the ideal subwoofers to go with those speakers. We have two here,
the MWE and the MWLE.
I want to talk about the features of both, starting with how they're built.
The cages are all made of glass-filled nylon.
You've also got Deutsch connectors for both the LED lights and your speaker connections. That gives you watertight connections that are corrosion resistant even in a saltwater environment. Now the MWE speaker is designed for a custom enclosure. It's what you usually see going on a boat. It's got this gasket back here for a watertight connection. Now you're going to want to couple this speaker with an amplifier like this
KXMA 1500.
It's going to need that power to thump out the sounds. You can get this speaker in either a 10 or a 12-inch diameter speaker.
They come with charcoal colored grills and are also available in white.
Now you're going to mount this in a custom enclosure in a bulkhead. That custom enclosure is designed to limit the sound coming out the back of the speaker so it doesn't interfere with the sound coming out of the front.
There are also MWF models in 10 and 12-inch sizes made for mounting directly into a bulkhead hole without a custom enclosure. Basically, what you have is a subwoofer and a radiant subwoofer in a prefabricated sealed enclosure.
The radiant cone enhances the subwoofer sound by reverberation. All you have to add is an amplifier.
These are specifically designed for high performance and flexible installation without cutting any holes.
That way, you've got the sound coming off the back of the speaker directed to an enclosed area that doesn't interfere with the sound coming out of the front. That gives you the ultimate in sound tuning. When you're looking at upgrading your audio system, you need to take a good hard look at some of the stuff that's coming out of Stillwater, Oklahoma and the KICKER Marine plant.
This new series of subwoofers, especially when partnered with their MSS component and MSC coaxial speakers,
is going to give you an awesome sounding stereo system. I'm Randy Vance, and thanks for joining me on my dock.